Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something truly amazing, the building blocks of all living things. That's right, we're talking about cells. Whether you're a plant, an animal, or even a tiny bacterium, you're made of these incredible little structures. So, let's get started on our microscopic journey. First up, let's talk about the two main types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are the simple ones, like bacteria. They're super small and don't have a nucleus. Think of them as a one-room studio apartment. Everything is just kind of floating around in a space called the cytoplasm. All their genetic material, their DNA, is just bundled up in a region called the nucleoid. Simple, but very effective. Now, eukaryotic cells are the ones that make up plants, animals, fungi, and us. These are way more complex. Imagine a huge mansion with different rooms for different activities. That's a eukaryotic cell. The most important room is the nucleus, which is like the control center or the brain of the cell. It holds all the DNA neatly organized into chromosomes. This nucleus is surrounded by a membrane, keeping the precious genetic code safe. But the mansion has other rooms too. Eukaryotic cells are filled with tiny structures called organelles, and each one has a specific job. You've got the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, generating energy to keep everything running. Then there are the ribosomes, which are like tiny factories that build proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus work together like a cellular post office, modifying, sorting, and shipping these proteins to where they need to go. And let's not forget the cell membrane. This is like the security guard and the walls of our mansion. It surrounds the entire cell, controlling what comes in and what goes out. It's a flexible barrier that protects the cell's internal environment from the outside world. Plant cells have an extra layer of protection outside the membrane called the cell wall, which gives them their rigid structure. So, to quickly recap, we have simple prokaryotic cells without a nucleus, and complex eukaryotic cells with a nucleus, and many specialized organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes, all wrapped up in a protective cell membrane. From a single-celled bacterium to the trillions of cells that make up your body. These fundamental structures are what make life possible. It's a whole universe inside each and every one of us. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science content. See you in the next video.